Hello viewers, welcome back in new video. In this video, I'll show how to add video and audio and other things in Camtasia. First of all, I open Camtasia software. You must need to install previously. I previously installed here. Then I open this one. Just wait. Then the new project. Opening this software. Wait just a moment. After opening this software, then I import video file. Input media. Then I'm searching where I save my video. I open some of the video. I work on it. After adding a video, then I add in tracks. You can see adding all videos. Just play. So it's okay or not. First, I want to cut some point. First, select this one, then delete. You just check out. The separate audio and video. Just I delete the original audio. Then I adding a external audio. I all are video separating audio and video. Delete. Now I add audio clip. I download this video from YouTube royalty free audio. You can use this video in your blog video. Then select and delete. Then I separating audio and video. I need audio. Okay. Then I edit text. You can write anything here. The sample I add here. How to add text in video. You check this one. How to change the color. How to move. Here I all video. You can see in top side. Then I add a behavior. It's the text is moving. Add another text. Adding another behavior. You can add picture and other things here. Then after that, I want to save, share. Then I selecting, then write name, which name you want to save. Then saving. After completing 100% this video, you can see the output of this video. Then you share anywhere, upload your channel. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up below and also feel free to comment below. I will try to read them and respond to you. If you not subscribe of my channel, please subscribe my channel for more video. Okay, I will see you next video. Thanks for watching.